So we're invited here today by the 12 O'Clock Hills community group to install a fairy trail for them. So the idea was to get children to engage more with the outdoors and get them to come up here and explore the forest and have some fun while they're up here. So they're going to enjoy discovering all the different fairy villages, knocking on the fairy doors and seeing what other magical creatures that they can find in the fairy forest. They might even stop and have a picnic with their parents and just generally have a fun day out, get active and enjoy the outdoors. So today we've done a combination of things. For starters, we did a lovely archway at the entrance to the fairy woodland, letting people know that this is the beginning of the fairy woodland with some lovely hand-painted signage. And as you walk through the fairy woodland, you'll see the 4 different fairy villages, and there's other things like the worry stone. The idea is it takes your worries away. You lay your hands on the worry stone. There's somewhere for the kids to post their wishes for the fairies. It's a little miniature post box. And then we've got other things like the fairy council meeting place, and other little exciting bits and pieces that they can discover when they're up here. So we were asked by Pat and the 12 O'Clock Hills group to come up with a concept for them. We worked with them to see what they would like up here at the fairy woodland, and we've installed some really nice features that I think everyone's going to enjoy.
My name is Pat Neville. I'm the chairman of the 12 O'Clock Hills project. So we have engaged Rachel and Aidan here from Away with the Fairies to develop our fairy trail for us. The purpose of what we're at here is to encourage families onto the hills, and we think we can do that with the fairy trail.
So if anyone would like their own fairy trail, we're really happy to work with them. We've done it for other community groups and private businesses and homeowners as well. And we travel all over the country, so we'd be delighted to help.